Hello and welcome to the wonderful world of photography. David Bradley here. Here is a shot that, it's funny, it's a random shot. It's, I would say, street photography, even though it was not on the street, it was in the subway. And I happened to be, well, yes, in the Toronto subway at Wellesley Station. And I looked across, and there at each end of this picture, there's a pillar, and there's all this. I don't know what the stuff at the top of the thing is, because there's no, like, protection things. I think it was maybe just stuff in running from pillar to pillar, and I don't know. Anyway, it just to me looked interesting, as did the advertisement at the far end that I don't know what it is. And then there was this fellow and this other fellow, and what appear to be two young ladies. And I don't know if they're together. I don't know if they are apart. I really have no clue. It caught my eye, and I said, "Huh, look at that! Kind of well framed, kind of interesting." Unique characters, and certainly the body language speaks volumes. And I just wonder what was really going on. Was this like four friends out? Was this two couples on a date? And obviously the guys were, hanging out and talking, and the girls were standing there thinking, "Oh dear, what have we done?" Or are they looking with great admiration at these wondrous people? I don't know. I really don't know, and I never will know. Nor will we ever. And this was, of course, taken many, many years ago. So these people have all probably moved on. Are they still friends? Do they still know each other? I don't know. Were they ever friends? Was these just random people talking, random people standing together? I have no clue. But as I was on the opposite side, and I think I was on the northbound side, and they were on the southbound side, it just caught my eye. It did. And yes, I mean, it's funny, the older subway stations, such as this, are, they're not pretty, but I did like the green, and I like kind of the brick pattern, and also kind of like the funny pattern at the top, which I still don't know what. Maybe that's where like information cables run, or I don't know. But it did to me look like the fellow in the red hat is in the midst of telling a great story about something, and the other fellow is either really taken with it, or he's saying, "Oh, please stop talking. I'm trying to impress these two girls here, and it ain't happening with whatever you're talking about." But then who knows? That's the thing about these pictures. I could write whatever underneath to explain, or, to say what I think is going on. It may not be anything at all like that. I really don't know. But as many people have said, sometimes a still picture can tell a story. And indeed, this could tell many stories. Um, Many. It's funny, like the girl in what looks to be the brown dress, I think her hand is sort of on her chest. Maybe she is standing there saying, like her heart is going pitter patter, pitter patter, pitter patter. The other girl's kind of looking away, more straightforward, maybe as if to say, "Oh, please, please, Donna, what are you doing? He's a doofus." But, we'll never know. We'll never know. Anyway, just an example of, well, I call it street photography. Of course, it's really subway photography. And of course, the funny thing is, for a long time, since 9/11, it's funny if you appear somewhere like Subway with a camera. Now I haven't done it in years. So it's like, "Oh, no, no, you can't do that." It's a funny thing because, of course, cameras are evil, but phones are fine. So people are shooting pictures all over the place, but you appear with a camera. Oh, no, 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 no. You're like, "Oh, please." I mean, even I've been to like school events where, I set up a tripod and try and get a really good video of a performance. And they're looking at me like I'm crazy. And then, of course, you got people there with their phones, and you're going to get, yeah, they're going to record it, but it's going to be like shaky and awful, and anyway. People are funny. They are. Anyway, so I'd be interested if you have any comments on this, or if you see, like, tell me, what do you see? What story do you see? What, like, come up with a narrative about what are they saying? What are they talking about? What are the girls thinking? What's going on in this picture? What's happening? Maybe I'll write some things that I think up. Anyway, thanks for coming. Have a lovely day, and remember, keep shooting, keep shooting, keep shooting. Train your eye. It doesn't matter if you have the best camera, the latest camera, the greatest lens. What really makes the difference between snapshots and great pictures is you. It's you. It's you and your eye, and what you see, and how you see it, and how you want to capture it. From what height, from what angle. Train your eye. Train your eye. Sorry, eyes. Although I would say I'm left-eyed. But anyway, train your eye. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.